Welcome to Iran Mall, the largest mall in the Middle East. Today, I'm gonna show you some part of Iran Mall. Not only is the Iran Mall in Tehran the biggest shopping mall in Asia, but it also surpasses all other malls in the world. Covering 21 million square feet in northwest Tehran, the complex is a remarkable achievement. Iran Mall has an Iranian garden. This garden was inspired by the design and pattern of Iranian gardens such as Shah Garden in Kerman. Timche Ali Akbar is a traditional market located in the heart of a modern market. And its construction was inspired by the traditional markets of Iran, such as Tabriz, Isfahan, Shiraz. Traditional bazaar hall of mirrors is one of the most beautiful part of Iran Mall. And my favorite part is book garden. Iran Mall also has a book garden, and this is the first time that such a place has been built in a commercial center in the world. Book Garden is a really unique library whose architecture is in European classic style and has an Iranian name, and it is called Jundi Shapur Library. If you like to walk in the back alleys of different countries and travel to those lands by tasting the food of the nations, then don't miss the Iranian Garden of Nations restaurant. Just look at this beauty. This traditional and modern architecture in Iran has really turned it into a wonderful place to visit. Thank you for being with me on this journey. If you're interested in traveling to Iran, don't miss my videos. Thanks for watching.